Ira Epstein with your morning flash update. And yes, I'm back, and it is Monday, the 8th of August, 2022. And we're sitting at a time right now, about 9 o'clock a.m. Central Time. You know, I was recovering from oral surgery. Still am. Have a mouthful of stitches, but they dissolve. I'm able to talk, though, finally. Lost a lot of weight, which is great. When you look at all that's going on, here's the thing. You got an S&P that's rallied 13%, 14% since June low. We have this week the CPI coming out. The market's looking for a decline of about 0.3 down to 8.7%. If you look at the futures markets, just go to gasoline, for example. From that June high, we're down a lot more to warrant a 0.3% decline. If you look at the grain markets, they've been down very hard. So it's market upon market. And what's happened in looking back is the marketplace has done a lot of the Fed's work. And I think that's why the stock market's up. Some traders have realized that. Your inflation numbers are down. Now, don't get me wrong. Wages, the Fed doesn't change, the market doesn't initially. That changes as you go to an employer and say, I want to raise, and he finally says, no, time isn't right for it. Or when he hires, he backs off a little bit from what he was going to pay, or he doesn't hire at all. Rents are in place. They take time to negotiate down. That's a little longer. But seeing 8-10% increases, I think you're going to find that you can negotiate that in many areas down. That's not going to fly either. So as I look at the market, and this is my observations, a stock market that has surprised the heck out of traders galore, analysts galore, with how resilient it is to the upside. A market where the market is betting the Fed can't go anywhere that they want on interest rate hikes as long as they want. In other words, they can give you a 75 basis point cut in a hike in September. Might be able to do another one after that. But how long is what the market is saying? Can they go with 75s or 50s or even a quarters into 2023? That doesn't mean that inflation will collapse, folks. It'll come down to a point where it sticks. Remember I said this. That's what's going to happen. I'm looking for what that number is. Most currencies today up against the dollar. You don't want to fight that. And as you can see, bonds and notes, interest rates falling. Now, I looked over the past 8 days and I was trying to see how this market was going and what did I think was working in the marketplace. And I'll tell you, I was watching what the pivot points were doing. And if you watch them even on a day like today and you understand the concept of them, for those looking to buy the break, sell the rally for intraday trading, this is probably one of the best tools you're going to run into. You get a center line and resistance points above it and below it. You try to tie it together, I think, with momentum, and you're making your in and out trades. Is this for everybody? Absolutely not. It is geared for one type of trader, the in and out trader, the guy that wants to go home with absolutely no position. I created a 3-part series, all videos, shows you how to work it. I'll bet you have this, the indicator, on your charting service. Now get the videos. They're free. Go to our website. All you need to do is follow my finger. Go to right up there. When you go to the website and take your cursor up there, choose. You can choose our futures trading kit or the pivot point series. They're both combined in there, either one alone or the other. And take a look at the other offerings we have. I'm Ira Epstein. I will see you at the end of the day with our market wrap-up. Should be back to normal until I see the doctor again and they tell me my next stage or if I'm done. I'm Ira Epstein. You have a great day. See you all at the end of the day. Trade well. See you then.